So with this video, I'm going to show you guys how I do a deep smile line with a clear encapsulated tip. It is fall inspired. I decided to do this quick set for Thanksgiving because my nails were just looking horrible. So I just wanted to do something cute and simple. So right now I'm just putting some nail dehydrator on it by Makartt. And then I'm also going to follow up with the primer as well by Makartt. And I have the base gel that you have to put on there before applying the polygel. And I'm just going to cure that top layer so that the polygel doesn't pop off, because I've done it before without the base coat because I forgot simply, and my nails just completely popped off, which was very disappointing after taking like about an hour and a half to do them. But yeah, so I just applied some of the polygel that I created. I mixed the clear polygel by Makartt with some gel polish by Makartt as well. It's in like this nude color, but of course I'll link everything below that I use, everything purchased on Amazon. And right now I'm just trying to mold it into that deep smile line shape. I had a little bit too much polygel on there, so I just removed some, and then I'm going to go back into molding it. I just, gather a little more there. So I'm going to go back into molding it until I get the shape that I want for the deep smile. And it wasn't really as hard as I thought it would be. It's kind of easier to work with the polygel with creating the shape because you can control the substance until you cure it. So that's what I like a little better about polygel versus just acrylic, because the acrylic dries if you don't move fast enough. But with the polygel, you can just kind of take your time and get the shape that you want. So as you can see, it's looking like a little egg shape. So I'm just going to fix it up a little more until it's perfect to my liking, and then I'll go from there.
Making Dad's famous turkey?
Shaped how I want it. I just cured it in the lamp, and now I'm going to remove the nail form, and I'm shaping it with the nail filer so that I can make the line nice and crisp. that I can create the tip of the nail. And for this part, I'm going to use clear polygel because I want it to be encapsulated and I want it to be see-through because I just think that that's cute once I add the nail art. For this, I'm going to use some leaves and some glitter since it's Thanksgiving and fall inspired. So similar to my previous video, if you want to see how I do encapsulated nails, you can just click on my page, make sure you subscribe as well, and then take a look at my previous video and you'll see how I do my encapsulated nails. So now I'm just kind of molding the polygel into the shape that I prefer, and I'm taking it all the way down to the corners.
Making Dad's famous turkey? Making Dad's famous turkey?
came out so cute. So now I'm just going to go ahead and speed through doing the rest of my nails. So if you want a video on any of these other designs that I do, leave a comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will do another video if requested on any of the other designs I did. Well, the pinky nail, I'm just doing an encapsulated full nail, and it's similar to the nail that I did in my previous video. So if you want to see that one, go check that one out, and you'll see how I did that one. And then the other two nails, the pointer finger, I'm just going to do a solid color. And then the middle finger, I did do like a cute little design where I just added some gold foil along the edge. But if you want to see a video on that, then just leave a comment below, and I'll, do a video for that part as well. But for until then, just sit back and enjoy.
Making Dad's famous turkey?
Alright, and here's my finished look. Okay, so I did add some little gems to the pointer finger, but the thumb I kept completely solid. I do not like doing anything to my thumbnail for some reason. I guess once you get through the first four, once you get to the thumb, you're like, okay, I'm just going to throw something on here. Let me know if anybody else feels that way. But yep, here we are. They came out so cute. I love the color. I was thinking that it would have been nude, but I'm not really sure how to explain this color. It's like white, yellow, or it's like ivory. I don't know. You guys leave a description of what the color is because I can't decide. So I'm just adding on some top coat, clear polish on each nail. But then I decided that for the solid part, the yellow or clear or nude, I'm going to just leave that matte. So I'm just going to keep that matte, and then I'll go over it again on the other nails where the nude is with the matte top after I cure it, since I already put the clear on there. And then you guys will see the finished look. So let me know what you think. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I love to hear feedback and you guys' opinions on what you may want to see or what you may want me to try out. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Bye. See you next time.